I think from the project analytics perspective is where we're getting the biggest bang for our buck. But also within the financial analytics, we're providing new tools to the business to help with days outstanding of accounts receivable and making sure that we have a firm grasp of who our vendors are and how much money is going in and out the door. Also facilitates better and cleaner billing of our customers for what we refer to as pass-through costs, where we don't mark up the expenses to the doctors who are seeing patients. We pass that information right through. We have cleaner, smoother transition of that information from paying the bill to the vendor to charging the customer for that same activity. And business intelligence is giving us better checks and balances to make sure that what comes in is indeed going out in an efficient manner. The other thing, beyond just the packaged product, the tool set itself has provided us some great flexibility in terms of providing our customers what they desire. We have a process that we refer to as utilization, and that's all about are we using our resources the way they need to be used. And it's based primarily on time entry and looking at the time available for an individual versus the time that was charged to billable projects. We knew that there was a rather cumbersome process that had been taking place in our legacy environment to convert that data. It was actually a 4-day process for every time cycle that we did, which was twice a month. We eliminated that through the implementation of PeopleSoft and by providing that information to business intelligence. We did some trending on top of what was already being produced. As we introduced that tool to the organization and they got their first view, there was a lot of feedback about, well, can we have this additional report or this additional view of the information or this additional trend? And because of our approach of moving all the data as appropriate into our data warehouse, all we needed to do was spend approximately a week and a half of building the bridge between that data that was already there to what the customer already wanted, and added a number of drill downs, added a number of different slices and dices that they were looking at, and ultimately satisfied a need that we didn't know was necessarily there as we embarked, because we didn't know those activities were going on in operations, but we were positioned to very quickly address what our customers wanted, and even to the standpoint of one of our users sent a very nice email to the team and said, "Congratulations, you've won the award for producing the most user-friendly solution yet as part of the ERP deployment." So those kind of successes are great wins for the organization.